Assalamu alaikum. Today we will read Qaf to Ya. Now I'm telling the pronunciation of these words. Today I'm telling the pronunciation of Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and Ya. First of all, I'm telling the pronunciation of Qaf. How we'll pronounce the Qaf? Qaf. Qaf pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the soft part of the palate, top of the mouth. Like this. Qaf. 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 Now I'm telling the pronunciation of Kaf. How will pronounce Kaf? Kaf pronounced from the root of the tongue touching the hard part of the palate, top of the mouth, like this. Kaf. Now we're telling the pronunciation of Lam. Lam pronounced from the edge of the tongue touching the gums of all the top front teeth, like this. Lam. Lam. Now we're telling the pronunciation of Meme. How we'll pronounce the Meme? Meme pronounced from the dry part of both lips, like this. Meme. Now we're telling the pronunciation of Noon. How we'll pronounce the Noon? And Noon pronounced from the tip of the tongue touching the gums of the top four front teeth, like this. Noon. And Wow. Now we're telling the pronunciation of Wow. Wow pronounced from the empty space of the mouth, like this. Wow. And Ha. Ha pronounced from the bottom part of throat. And Hamza. How will pronounce the Hamza? Hamza pronounced from the bottom part of throat. And Ya. Ya pronounced from the empty space of the mouth. Today these two lines are enough for a lesson. Okay, thank you.